This is tonic water. It's very drinkable, but it's not very yummy. But let me show you something else here. When we're talking about ultraviolet light, I have a nice bright ultraviolet light here, okay? And you can see it kind of lighten up my shirt a little bit. And my teeth look nasty, and my eyeballs look nasty. Yeah. So what happens is the quinine that is in here, look at that beautiful glow. The ultraviolet light actually energizes that quinine, and it emits a photon that we can actually see. So it fluoresces when it's exposed to that ultraviolet light. Just like that ultraviolet laser, this black light or UV light is now energizing my whole bottle here. So it looks like the light is actually coming from this bottle because it's fluorescing from that ultraviolet light. Now, a fun thing about that, if you're getting ready for whatever, anytime you go, you're like, hey, you went to a party or something like that, and they mark something on your hand, you can see that ultraviolet light